sinking like stones, all that we fought for. Homes, places we've known, all unknown. We live in a beautiful world. Yeah, we do, yeah, we do. We live in a beautiful world. We live in a beautiful world. Yeah, we do, yeah, we do. We live in a beautiful world.
A wonderful good morning, guys, or better said, it's lunchtime already. Maybe you can hear it from my badly voice. It was such a long night last night. We went to two clubs, two discos. One was the country club, a very nice one, open air disco with swimming pool, very good music. Then the second one was the Billionaires Club. The owner is Flavio Briatore, the former Formula 1 boss from Renault, the Renault racing team. Stupid flies here. Yeah, and so it was becoming quite late. And really this morning when I woke up, I was already dead. But it was a great night together with Florian. He's still alive. You can see him here. We will go to our next apartment. We will meet the rest of our friends. They are arriving this afternoon with the ferry boat in Olbia. And then we will go all together to a bigger apartment. We booked ourselves a little house where we can stay for the next 6 days. And this evening we will go out all together for celebrating. A lot of good friends are here today, and so that's perfect for me. I don't need anything else for my birthday. Hey, New Yorker!
Habt ihr es auch noch gefunden?
Das ist es. Buongiorno! Hey.
Gratulieren.
Hey, merci vielmals.
Geburtstag,
Danke. Ja.
alles ready.
Ich freue mich, seid ihr all hier? Hi, Ellie.
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much.
How are
Thank you.
you?
I'm
Happy?
very happy
Yes.
that you are all here.
Yeah.
All the best friends.
Hi,
Hello.
Florian, how are you?
Yes, fine, thanks to you.
I'm fine, thank you.
So we changed our clothes, a bit more elegant. And here are all my friends. They arrived today. Florian, you already know.
Yes, I'm ready.
Then here's Adrian.
Yes.
And we have Ellie here from Colombia, the girlfriend of Yannick. Yannick was a long-term friend of mine. They just arrived. We were too long in the city and too long sitting around because we were so tired. And so we lost so much time, and now we are a bit in a hurry because there is another friend of mine waiting at the restaurant, and we made the appointment, and he's also coming with his girlfriend for celebrating my birthday in a restaurant, and I'm very excited. Thank you very much. Thank you. Ciao. Excuse the delay. Sorry. So I got a present from my friend Luca and his girlfriend Paulina. And now I will start to pack that out. I'm very curious what it can be. It's a cool paper.
Yes, it's something special from our home.
From our home.
Yeah, from Valetoria.
From, yes, touristic place, city.
Oh, that's cool. Look at that.
Sardinian style.
Hey, what a cool. Okay, dus we werken ins Zimmer.
Chocolate.
Hey. Okay, I have to thank you. Look, they are all eating ice cream. It's so cold, but they are all eating ice cream.
Das ist der Boss.
Yo! Look, sonst tun wir doch da drauf.
Ja, das ist aber, ja, da bin ich auch hoch.
You're the king. Florian. How long is this nightlife lasting?
Today.
4 o'clock again?
Last night, yes.
Yeah, but this night?
We will see.
We will see. Also last night it was becoming very late. And then also we noticed when we arrived yesterday at our apartment that there is no air condition. And as you can imagine, when you have 34 degrees during the day, it's hot like hell inside there, and so my sleep wasn't that much. Nevertheless, it was a great evening together with my friends. I enjoyed it so much to celebrate my birthday together with them. The only pity we had was that especially the pizza at this restaurant we have been to was so bad. They served it already cold and it was like chewing gum. It will be the first day we will go and visit the beach. I'm quite excited to that because I could see it from the hill here, the beach, and it's so beautiful. It's really magnificent. And now I'm waiting for the others. They are still sleeping. Good morning.
Morning.
But they already went to the supermarket.
Yeah.
Is that our breakfast?
Yeah.
Ah, prosciutto.
Of meat and fresh slice of cheese.
Oh, that's nice. Look at this watermelon. It's huge.
Das ist so.
Nice breakfast you bought.
Yeah, we were thinking that it was
Glück für
pretty late for having breakfast. Okay, I'm gonna go for my first.
Don't panic, he's also awake.
You wanna have also
Hey,
slice
Adu.
of bread?
Don't panic. Look,
Don't panic, it is just breakfast.
his face is so sleepy. Gut geschlafen? Ja.
Ja, das ist für dich.
Wie sieht das Badeprogramm aus?
Lecker, lecker, lecker.
We cannot close the door properly. So
Was ist da passiert?
you can break into our apartment very easily.
The wrong man. Oh my god.
Hey! Ellie wanted to kiss the driver, Yannick. No, it's Adrian now.
We have a bit more space that way.
Yeah, we have a bit more space in the back seats. Look how cool Adrian is driving. Hey, look how cool. JC.
Yeah.
Here we are at Porto Taverna, a very beautiful beach. It's just a bit crowded today. And so we are now discussing because we should also organize an umbrella. First we take here a cappuccino, something to drink, and then we will see if we stay here or if we are looking for a more secret beach.
Aspetta.
Not that he's driving into this gas lorry. He's Italian, he can park out. So now we will buy some stuff for the beach. Here. Surfboard. This I want.
So, let's go to the beach.
Oh,
Ja, dan muss ich auch kaufen.
this one with the bikini woman.
Ich mach keinen Platz mehr in
So now everyone is having an umbrella. Das siehst du viel, so cheap. Wow! Ah! Super claro. Oh. We could find a bit a more calm beach where there are not so many people as the one we have seen before. The one before is famous to a lot of people, and this you could notice. And so we decided, or Yannick decided to ask a local, and she told him that we have to go to Gala Cirgolu, and that's where we are now. It's much more calm, it's less full, it's not a meat market as Florian always says. And so you can see it here. It's much smaller. There is also a parking near to it. You have to walk maybe 5 minutes, not more. You can park there. There is a parking, so it's very comfortable. Now I have to lie a bit under the sun, and I hope my white skin is getting a bit better. Also, this guy is chilling. He's always sleeping. Even if last night it wasn't that hard, but he's always sleeping.
I'm too old for this. Been around this, broken down for way too long. Left my home for this. Starry-eyed, it's no surprise.